The first flight of the carrier-based combat drone Bayraktar TB3 is completed. Before we start, like our video and subscribe to our channel. The first flight of the Turkish drone manufacturer Baykar Technologies carrier-based combat drone, the Bayraktar TB3, was completed. At the Çorlu Flight Training and Test Center in northwest Turkey, the first takeoff and landing test was conducted. Because it is an armed unmanned aerial vehicle system with carrier capability, the Bayraktar TB3 was built with foldable wings. The Bayraktar TB3, which is a little bit bigger than its land-based counterpart, the TB2, will have a higher payload capacity of up to 280 kilograms. First revealed in October 2020, the unmanned aircraft is eventually intended to operate out of the amphibious assault ship TCG Anadolu. Landing the drone on the warship will be the next phase of the test campaign. The Bayraktar Kızılelma, an unmanned fighter jet that can operate on a carrier, should fly beside the TB3. Before Turkey was kicked out of the Joint Strike Fighter program to buy Russian S-400 missile systems, the TCG Anadolu was supposed to fly US-built F-35B fighters. What do you think of the carrier-based Bayraktar TB3? Write your comment below. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.